In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Outlook calendar with Asana 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have Outlook connected inside a specific Asana project, so your work and scheduling live in one place. We'll move quickly, but I'll explain what each step does and share a few tips to keep things smooth. First, open your browser and go to the Asana login page. Sign in with the email you use for your Asana account, click Continue, then enter your password and select Login. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Those won't change the process, they just verify your identity. Once you land on your Asana home screen, choose the project where you want Outlook connected. Integrations in Asana are added at the project level, so pick the one where you need Outlook features available to the team. You can repeat these steps later for other projects if needed. Inside your chosen project, look to the top right and open the Customize panel. This is where Asana lets you tailor the project with fields, rules, and, importantly, apps. In the Customize panel, go to the Apps section, click Add, and look for the Microsoft Outlook option. In some Asana workspaces, you'll see it labeled as Outlook Email. That's the correct tile to use for connecting Outlook to this project. Click Add to Project. Next, select Connect to Outlook. A Microsoft window will open asking you to sign in and approve permissions. Choose the correct work or school account you use for Outlook. If you're asked for admin approval, you may need your IT team to enable the Asana Outlook integration in your organization's Microsoft tenant. That's normal in more secure environments. Continue through the prompts until you see confirmation that Outlook is connected. Back in Asana, you should now see Outlook listed under Apps for that project. That means the connection is active for everyone with access to the project, based on your organization's permissions. A few quick tips to make the most of it. If you manage multiple teams or projects, repeat this setup only where you need Outlook available to avoid clutter. After connecting, test the integration by using Outlook to interact with Asana tasks and check that updates align with how your team tracks work and schedules. If something doesn't appear, refresh the project page and verify you're logged into the correct Microsoft account. That's it. You've connected Outlook with your Asana project in just a few minutes, setting the foundation for better coordination between your tasks and your time.